Hi guys, it's your girl Priscilla. Hope you're good, hope you're blessed. In today's video, I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to challenge myself and use only one brand. So I'm going to use Maybelline.
My face, I'm using a Master Prime from Maybelline. All the products that I use in this video are going to be linked down below in the description box. To fill my brows, I went in with an eyebrow pencil. The color was supposed to be dark brown, but it turned out gray on my brows. I wiped it off and filled my brows in with the darkest shade in the Soda Pop palette. To shape my brows, I went in with the Age Rewind Concealer in the color Golden. Golden was not my conceal color, so it was too light for me and the concealer dries very fast. Then I went in with a color corrector. For the foundation, I'm using the matte Poreless foundation, and this foundation is one of my favorite drugstore foundation because the coverage is very good and it gives you a flawless finish. To conceal, I went in again with the Age Rewind Concealer. I was supposed to use just a little bit because it wasn't my color, but your girl went in and I was looking a little bit crazy at the beginning. For the eyes, I went for a soft pink flirty look, and the Soda Pop palette was perfect, guys. The pigment was very nice, and for dark skin girl, we got no problems. And here a close-up look for you guys. So the pigment was really nice and the look came out beautifully. To bring back color on my face, I went in with the Fit Me powder. To highlight, I used the highlight color in the palette. And the eyelash is not from Maybelline, so I'm sorry. For my lips, I went in with the eyebrow pencil that didn't work for my brows but worked perfectly for my lips. Then I went in with a matte liquid lipstick. I was loving the look, guys. Everything was so flirty and very smooth. To finish the look, I went in with the Master Fix Setting Spray. If you want to see how I got my hair so curly and juicy, then head over to my latest video, link is in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video and share it with your loved ones. See you in my next one. Bye!
I apply the glue, you gotta make sure it gets a little bit tacky.
Really? I just apply you.
Because when it's too wet and you like, you know,
yeah, it sticks together with my lower lash. I'm always like. So have you had like any client that didn't like your job at the end, where like she freaked out? Or
my God's grace, not yet. No, not gonna happen. We rebuke it in Jesus' name.
Amen. Fire by force.